Hi, welcome to Jia's channel. Today we're going to make banh mi. Starting with bread, I got this baguette French bread from Whole Foods. It's got that bouncy texture. Good. Next, I got this at Costco. I have to bake it. Kind of a French bake. Just air fry for 8 to 10 minutes. This is good too. And then for a party, you want to use hoagie. It still is good, you know, but the best is the French bread, okay? Original French bread. The hoagies you can get Walmart, Sam's, Costco, whatever. They will all do. And in the sauce, I have Japanese mayonnaise. This one's from the Asian store. And I guess they import it from Japan. It's all Japanese. The original one. And here's the made for the American. I got this at Costco. All English. But it's the same company, same brand. Sriracha. That's the best one. And mayonnaise for a group of big parties. Still would do. And then for the meat, I have char siu, Chinese barbecue. I just cut the pork loin, kind of marinate. I have to pan fry this. And here's the bigger bag of the char siu. Use a lot. It's cheaper in a big bag. This is all I find at the Asian store. And now to the meat section.
We got.
And Nina could introduce, what is this?
Liverwurst bread, I guess what it says.
It's pate.
Oh.
And it comes frozen. We'll leave it thaw, room temperature. I
And
got 2 of them. It's a spread.
there's,
It's called head cheese right here.
it's head cheese.
Yeah, they call head cheese.
And this is the pork roll.
Yeah.
I think.
It's also frozen. One's kind of, they color it in pink.
What else? Frozen?
Pork roll, and it's in banana leaf. This one's, I made it fresh. I still gotta steam it.
Oh, nice.
Okay, and then, Jenna, you're gonna introduce
Cucumber.
vegetables. Okay, cucumbers. And what is that?
Carrot.
Okay, and then next, what we have here? You remember?
Nah.
Jalapenos. I like the color one. And how about this? You remember what those are?
Mustard.
No. These are cilantros. And one more.
Radish.
Radish. Yeah, daikon. These are Japanese radish. Or you can use Korean radish. This 2 carrots and radish, I'm going to make a slaw, kind of a pickle for that with vinegar, salt. Ready? You girls want to sit? Come here. Sit in. And Kayla here is going to help me make it, help prep it, and start it with the kids here who wants to help make it today. Okay. Peeling the carrots, and we're going to slice it. With this slicer I have, it's a
But you
tiny
just use a knife.
papaya slicer. It
Nice.
works great. When you do this, have an equal portion of radish and carrots. So it makes it a pretty combination look.
Potato chip.
But if you like more than the other, that's fine. Okay, we have carrots and the radish daikon. We're gonna, this is the peeler. This peeler, I like that. That one don't work. Here, you do that.
Wait, why doesn't this one work?
That's just a peeler. It doesn't have this.
Oh,
I can get another one. Yeah, go ahead. I'll help you peel it.
Fake carrots,
An extra
one
one.
daikon.
See? That's from Thailand. It's from Thailand.
You bought that there?
Yeah.
Was it just because
Here's the carrots. See?
I just put it right here. 8 carrots and 8 carrots and 8 radish.
Yep. 8 carrots and a radish.
Oh, scoot over.
Ooh.
My thing's not coming
Can
out.
I have a lick of it?
Oh no.
Just a little bit.
A lot.
I like a teaspoon.
That's not a little bit.
Sugar.
Sugar. That's a lot of sugar.
Lots of sugar.
Yes. Sugar.
And this is vinegar.
Let's
Just a
just
little
wait.
bit.
Oh.
Okay.
Too much.
There we go.
Like a cup of water.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
Okay, we're gonna mix it.
This slaw, you can also keep it stored for condiments, put noodles, whatever you like. It's almost like a pickle. Needs more salt,
That's sugar.
Yeah, that was sugar.
a little bit more vinegar. A little bit sour, you know?
Alright.
Sweet. I'm making the pork char siu. I'm gonna stir fry it in the pan. And here it is. And then it tells you the instruction on the back here. To me, I just put the amount I want, the color I want, and add a little bit of water. A little bit more, it's not quite there. Almost, a couple minutes. And then here's my pork roll that I'm steaming up with the banana leaf. Okay. See your cucumber, you see what I did? Look at it or move over. You need to see it. You can't just, you know what I mean?
Okay, and
So
then
look and scoot if you
just
need to do like
chop,
this.
right?
And then you can do one. See, this one's kind of funny. So just put your finger, go like that again.
Okay.
This one, if you're gonna practice, just one, go like this, see? One, just hold it. See, just kind of.
Okay, I got it.
If you do one, it says multiple. Got it? So look where you need to see your hand.
Right there.
Yeah.
Is that thin enough?
Yeah. Yeah, just look how thin, just look. You can make it thinner. That seems fatter. Yeah, there you go. Kind of like a thin, you know?
Who's gonna make fun of me?
Yummy.
Here's a pork roll that I steamed. My homemade pork roll. No, it didn't give the green tint. You gotta cook it longer. We'll use really fresh banana. This knife, not as sharp. I need to sharpen it. Hmm? What's later? No more meat. I'm gonna squish out all the water or access for the banh mi. If you don't, you'll have soggy bread, so you don't want that. If you want to save it, put it in a jar or a container. Leave the water in it. Here's the homemade bread. I fried it 8 to 10 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna cook one for that. Oh, I didn't want it to fall apart, but that's fine. Dear crumbs and ever. We'll toast this better. Here's the Walmart bread. I toasted up. This one's a Costco. Put mayonnaise on. Now let's put this on first. The pork, the liver paste. Watch, it's gonna come out squish. Squeeze, it's kind of frozen, so. Spread it on. And then squish some mayonnaise. Oh. Sriracha. Let's see. Okay. Now we're gonna layer in the meat. Start piling it on. Oh, falling everywhere. This one. lot of meat. Okay, ready? Then now we're gonna put the topping in. Let's go with cucumber. 2 or 3 cucumber, you know. Like more can add. Cilantro. Oh yeah, the jalapeno is really hot. Turn off. Let me go get my gloves for that. Jalapeno, super spicy. So those are the girls, no jalapeno. We're gonna put 1. I think it's super spicy. Okay. And then kind of ready to eat. We're gonna place it and wrap it. Okay, open fist. Here we go. Here's the show. Here, let me show. Come here. Let me show it. Okay, this is the French bread.
What'd I say?
What are you gonna say? So, would you try it out?
This is what it looks like.
How is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Crunchy.